Okay, I've decided that I will just make three separate videos. So we have done for number 1 to 3. So let's do number 4 to 7. So we need a list of field names, surname, forename, and position for all employees who are either web designers or programmers. Okay, so first I just close this for now, we save, and we just say create. Okay, we need to decide surname, forename, so surname, forename, and position for all employees who are either web designers or programmers. So their position, surname, forename, and position for all employees who are either web designers or programmers. So I believe we say next. Just say query web designers and programmers. Okay, so here we have all the different positions, and we can go to design view, and we want the position to either be web design. So it's just going to look for anything that has the word web in there, or program. You can type in the whole word in as well, but it should show us programmer and web designer, and only those are the ones that we want to see. And I think that's all we had to do for number 4. So take a screenshot of this, take a screenshot of the design view, and just paste it in your proof document over here. In the end, you will submit this as a PDF, but just for the video's sake, I'm not going to put that up as well. So we're done with this one, and let's say for number 5, a list of the fields. So let's start by going to query wizard. Makes it easier to see what we have to put in. A list of the fields, surname, forename, position, surname, forename, position, and the number of IGCSEs, for all the employees having less than or equal to 3 IGCSEs. Okay, so next we want to modify the query design. All that does, it just, instead of taking us to the table view, it just takes us directly to the design view. So we want the number of IGCSEs to be greater than and equal to 3. So let's see if we see everything. If there's anything less than 3, nope. So 3 is the lowest we have, and this is perfect. So I hope it makes sense on how I just did that. So the criteria is basically putting in a formula over there. So the number of IGCSEs, whenever you're unsure on how to put in a formula, just go look at what it is you need to kind of filter out. So you can see the number of IGCSEs is the amount of IGCSE these people have. And we want to only show the ones that are 3 and greater, so nothing less. So the 0 and the 2, all of these, we don't want part of that. So you just put that criteria in there. If you just want to have the 3s, you just say equal to 3, and then there's only one person equal to 3. If you only wanted to show the people equal to 5, then it will only show us the people who have 5 IGCSE. But just like in math, you say greater than and equal to 3. If you typed in equal and then greater than 3, you'll see we have an invalid syntax. Try to remember that if you type in equals, you're going to start typing in some sort of formula, and it's just the way that we read it in math as well. So when you read something in math, when you say 3 is greater than 2, then we read the greater than first, because sometimes you get that x is greater and equal to 2. So even in math, we first read the greater than sign before the equal. So I'm not sure if you guys have seen this in math, but this is how you read something in math, and this is how you read it in Excel as well. So we just put in that greater than and equal to 3, and then this will work. Okay, so for number 6, a list of the fields, surname, position, and salary. So we are done with this one. We save and create query wizard, simple query. Okay, what is it that we need? We need surname, position, and salary. Surname, position, and salary. And it's for all the employees who are not programmers. Okay, so we're gonna have to change something in the criteria for the position. The reason why I say that is because the position tells us if someone is a programmer or not. So we need to change the criteria for showing everyone whose position is, let's see, not programmer. So we want to see everyone who is not programmer. Okay, so we're going to see everyone who is not a programmer. So that's literally all you have to do. So just show everyone who is not a programmer. So that is something that will help with this. So that is how you do this one over here.